So we picked up LG OLED TV and we're going to open it up and set it up. Got to cut off the straps on both sides. And then you can just grab either side of the box and lift it up. Comes with a whole bunch of accessories, so let's take a look here. Now we're going to take the TV, which we've removed the box. We're going to take the TV, all the styrofoam off the TV, and we're going to lay it on top of the box. But before we do, we made sure we took the styrofoam from the top and made the box solid. And then we're going to lay a blanket on top, bring the TV out, and lay it on top. Okay, so we took the TV and we put it on the blanket on top of the box. And we have it hanging over the edge a little bit because we're going to secure this base. Okay, now I'm going to assemble the base, and if you look, there's a bunch of screws. The little screws on the foreground here, these are going to go into the TV, and these 4 screws here, they're going to go into the stand. So basically, you have this plate. You take the plate, comes into the stand, and you see how the grooves are there. It just fits in here, and then you push it down until it snaps into place. And now it should be just what you want. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put 4 screws, 2 into here, and 2 into the bottom. I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, I put the screws in, you see them on the bottom there. And then if you look at the bottom of the stand, I've got the other 2 in there. And the next step, we just put the base on the back here, and then we're going to put the 4 screws in. I have one started already. All right, we'll just put the last one in here, and then we'll make sure they're all tight. Okay, we're all done putting the stand on. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is put the little back plate on. So we just take off the plastic bag. Put this off of here. And the reason I'm doing that is that what we want to do is have this plate cover up the cord. Then you have to put it so the little notches are up. They fit right in there. And push this down, snap it. The base is on. We lifted it up on top of our TV stand. Now we just have to plug it in and see how it looks. Setting up the TV was really easy. Just plugged in a couple HDMIs into the ports in the back. And there's actually 2 remaining. We have 2 more. You can even hook it directly to the internet, but we use Wi-Fi. It has a handy remote, includes some buttons on it. So for example, if you want to go to Netflix, you can just press the button and get there. Otherwise, you just navigate with a cursor. Okay, the TV is all set up. We did have to go through the menus and get rid of all the automatic things like advertisements and things like that. And you can also delete a lot of extra icons for the apps. But if you want more apps, you can always go to the app screen and add more apps. That's the LG OLED TV.